A situation we often face is that we have either captured ourselves or been given a very large amount of network trace data. But what we really want to do is just pull out the packets for one particular user, let's say. It could be a particular server, but anyway, we just want to pull out some individual streams out of that trace. TraceMatcher now helps you do that with the filter directory facility. Let's pull up TraceMatcher, and we go straight into this facility via this button here. And you can see we're prompted for some input information, so we pick out the actual traces. And I'm going to use some traces that are in this directory here called Salisbury. And you can see it's immediately pulled in the traces from that directory. Now we have the traces in TraceMatcher. We need to specify an output location. Now I'm going to actually output it to a slightly different location into a filtered subdirectory. And I'm only interested in the trace data for one particular PC. And the IP address of that PC is 172.16.51.38. So I apply that here in the filter expression box, and now I just press this button over here to run the filter. Okay, so now that's done, and I can open any of these files if I right click and I open the output file in Wireshark. And there we have it. We have a trace file that has just entries for this particular address. We may want the trace files to remain as individual trace files, filtered versions of the individual trace files, but we may want to merge them together, and so that's the next feature I'm going to look at.